was really stupid, Mike.
Give me a poncho.
Is there some space between the barrel and the pumpkin?
About an inch.
Okay, good.
Is that enough?
Yeah, you don't want to plug the barrel.
No, I know. How about like, should I go 2 inches?
Yeah, what do you think, Frank? Where's Frank?
He's okay.
Hang on. Let me get my video ready.
Ah! Really awesome.
Yeah, don't look.
Probably the only time he's used the bayonet.
I think he stuck a piece of wood one time.
It has to be further than that.
Just go on it.
When I had that M44 and I had a bayonet on it,
Yeah.
stabbed the shit out of drywall in my house.
I hope you got that.
Is that just regular game load?
Hold on, I got one more.
Yeah, that was just regular.